Next is regarding the structure of yeast. Yeast is ovoid in shape, oval, has distinct cell wall with a nucleus, and vacuoles are present into the cytoplasm. Here you can see in the diagram. Next is the nutrition. Yeast cells have capability to absorb the foodstuff directly, but very first they have to convert it into simple sugar by the enzyme, then they have to absorb inside the cell. Next is regarding the respiration. Yeast do respiration without the use of oxygen, means anaerobic respiration is there. The reaction, glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol, ethanol, and carbon dioxide, and adenosine triphosphate is released in the form of energy. Next is the economic importance of yeast. Alcoholic fermentation. You know that yeast is used in the preparation of alcohol. Harmful and useful role of fungi. Penicillium, you know that used to enhance the flavor cheese, and as antibiotic, Penicillium notatum, you know the source of penicillium. Penicillium notatum is the source of penicillin, the antibiotic. Harmful role. Yeast have capability to spoil the foods and contaminate the fruits as well as vegetables and the disease, and capable to cause the disease, that is ringworm, in human beings. Fungi role in industry. You know that wine and alcoholic beverages. It is prepared with the process fermentation, anaerobic respiration by the use of yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. You know that glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas is released. The very first, grapes are crushed and fermented in the large vessel. Then yeast cell naturally present on the grapes or may be added to carry out the process of fermentation. Then ethanol or ethyl alcohol is produced as concentration of about 12%, and this concentration starts killing yeast cell. What is left? That is wine. Spirits such as whiskey, gin, they have much higher content of alcohol, and they are obtained by distillation of the fermentation mixture. The characteristics of wine. Wine is quickly absorbed into the body. In smaller quantity, it acts as stimulants, and in larger quantities may be harmful. Liver cirrhosis is caused in the human beings if it is consumed in larger quantity. Liver cirrhosis is a kind of liver disease in which liver ailments, liver becomes sick. Next is baking. You know that bread baking. In a baking, a mixture of flour with some fat, salt, and water is used to make dough. Starch or flour gets converted into sugar when yeast is added. It ferments the sugar and produces the carbon dioxide, and the dough rises. Increase in the volume of dough thrice a times is called leavening. When dough is baked, gas bubbles expand and give the bread a light, spongy texture. Next, it is also used in preparation of cheese. You know that it is a valuable food with high quantity of protein, fat, all together with calcium and phosphorus and vitamin A, vitamin B. How cheese made from milk? Here are the major steps. That is curdling of milk, Then further processing, salting, and ripening. In curdling of milk, there is addition of lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus, and curd produce is separated from the whey. Further, curd is processed to remove the moisture content. Water content is reduced. At this stage, cheese is known as cottage cheese. Next is salting. Addition of salt removes the moisture and prevents the growth of undesirable and unnecessary microorganisms inside the cheese. The next is ripening. Curd is kept at suitable temperature and humidity so that microorganisms added along with the lactic acid bacteria in step 1 enhance the flavor to the cheese. These are the steps of cheese: curdling of milk, then processing of curd, then salting, and